When you have a bite of this super yummy, delicious, rich, decadent, creamy cacao chia pudding, I want people to sense that it's not only something that is tasty and yummy and delicious, but it has so many nutritional values as well. Then you take a big bite, and who doesn't love chocolate? Miyu Yam, Notun Chairwoman Heidi Lucero Yako, Non Ahashimayenguish P. Mutsun Alonenguish. I am Chairwoman Heidi Lucero. I am a Hashiman from Orange County, and I am Mutsun Aloni from Inland Monterey Bay area. I was born and raised in Long Beach, Harbor City area. I am native to the tribe that goes all the way up into Long Beach area, and I've lived here my whole life. I work with a group called the Chia Cafe Collective, and we would go do all these demonstrations, and people would want to know, well, how do I make this? And how do I make that? So in the development of the cookbook, I really wanted to highlight the artistry behind cacao. To make cacao out of a bean is an art form, and it's an art form that you don't think of when you are buying a chocolate bar from the store. And to highlight artists in that process of making the book and making the recipe is something that's really important. And to have that tradition acknowledged for future generations to be able to understand the history behind cacao is something that is one of the bases of the book. And we were trying to revitalize all aspects of native food. I decided I was going to make something with chia, specifically the chia salvia columbaria. It was all over this area. And now, due to urban sprawl, we only find small patches of it. So today, when we make recipes, we use the salvia mexicana, and that is the one that is commercially sold in stores, and it is definitely a superfood. It has lots of omega-3 fatty acids, really healthy for you, lots of fiber and protein. And so I wanted to use something to flavor it and make it something yummy and delicious. So I decided to bring all of these special foods that bring community together. The book itself is also a resource guide on how people who are interested in making these items can learn how to make them and how to process them so that these items are here for generations to come.